In this video, I will show you how to download Claude Desktop on your computer or laptop. Now, to get started, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser. So I'll be using Google Chrome, but you can use whichever browser you choose. And what you want to do is come across to the official Claude website, which is claude.ai. Now, once you come across to the website, you'll be taken to the sign in page, but you don't have to sign in. If you just scroll down on this page, underneath these sign in options, you're going to see a option to download the desktop app. Give that a click, and that's going to start to download Claude on your computer or laptop. Once the app has finished downloading, give it a click. Then all you need to do is just wait for Claude to install on your computer or laptop. So it's just going to take a minute or two to run through and install. Once it's installed, you're going to get a window like this. Just click the Get Started button. And from here, if you do have an existing Claude account, you can sign in with your account here. So what I'm going to do is sign in with my Google account. And once that's done, it's going to direct me back to the app on my desktop. And as you can see, we are now currently logged into Claude, and you can start using the desktop version of Claude. So that is how to download Claude Desktop. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Claude and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.